This is lab 4, creating remote users. In this lab, I used my previous user from lab 3, Webmaster, and turned them into a remote user. To start this, I used the command sudo su webmaster to enter the home directory of Webmaster, and used the command pwd to confirm I was in the directory. Next, I created a directory for the authorized key file, which I'll use to store the Webmaster's SSH public key, so that they can connect via SSH using their private key. To create the directory, I use the command mkdir.shh. Next, I use the command chmod700.ssh to change the file permissions of the directory to 700, which restricts access so that only the file owner, which is Webmaster, can write, read, and open the directory, making it more secure. Using the command ls/al, you can see the permissions have changed. After this, I use the command cd.ssh to change the directory to the new SSH. Next, I create the file authorized keys using the command touch authorized keys. Using the command ls/la, I check the contents of the directory to check that the file was created. Then I change the file permissions of the authorized key file to 600 to make sure only the file owner, Webmaster, could read or write to the file using the command chmod600. For Webmaster to be able to access the server, I needed to create a RSA key pair for them using PuttyGen. In PuttyGen, I generated a key by moving my mouse around to generate entropy noise, which is a pseudo random number generator method. I then copied the text that was generated and saved the private key as a file. Then back on my instance, I used the command nano authorized keys to access the nano editor. I then pasted the key I copied from PuttyGen into the nano editor and saved it. Finally, I closed my instance and then opened it again, but this time I used the Webmaster key I generated from before, and as you can see, I was able to log it into my server as Webmaster.